Pastor, the Prime Minister of Uganda Kingdom. I had the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health. Ladies and gentlemen, in your different capacities, allow me right in the protocol that has already been established. Brethren, I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. The Lord is good, and all the time. My name is Hon Nyamutoro. I am the National Youth Representative and also, by the grace of God, the Minister of State Communal Development. I am wearing bigger shoes tonight. I come in representative capacity of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda. Somebody should tell the senior presidential advisor that it's not good to arrive after the president. Maybe you could say a word before I read the president's speech verbatim.
Oweekitiibwa Katikkiro wa Buganda, na bonna abakwolekeddeko bw'otuula wano bw'otudde mu ntebe ya kitaffe ssebo tukwaniriza nnyo lwakiki. Nange ndi wano kwerekerako mukyala wange asobole okutuusa obubaka bwa mukama waffe Oweekitiibwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda. Ssebo mukama wange, congratulations. Nange ndi wano kugatako ettaffaali lyange, congratulating ssebo. Mu bintu byonna ng'omuyimbi, President wa Federation, ssebo tukwagala nnyo bali tubeererawo. Kama yebaza ssebo.
Kenzo yasasulidde ssebo Oweekitiibwa Katikkiro, yasasulidde abavuga boda nga baliraanye. Ssebo twatandika ekyoto e Busaabala ekyokusaba buli lwakusatu, twatandika okusaba enansana buli lwakuna na Musande, twatandika okusaba ekiwatula ekitinda kya Mbagga Primary School. Kenzo yagambye buli aliraanye ebyoteri tumugulireyo ticket, n'atuwa $2 namba, era bali wano abamu abalala enkya. Webale nnyo President. Madam Minister, tusonyiwe tetuli organized nnyo naye kati tuzzeeyo mu protocol.
Thank you so much, Pastor. Before I read the President's speech verbatim, I just wanted to say that this afternoon I was in Chitaka, in a mine deep in Ibanda district, when I received the phone call that I should come and represent at this wonderful occasion where I will celebrate 20 years. I honestly almost hesitated to say it because I was very far. But then I remembered it was Pastor Bwe Bwe. And there is no way I will face God tomorrow if I had said no. So I want to thank you for being in our lives. You are a blessing to our country, and it is a pleasure to know you personally. Ladies and gentlemen, the President's speech in verbatim. I want to thank Pastor Bugemb for inviting me to attend the Thanksgiving function of the Worship House as we celebrate 20 years of existence. I congratulate you upon this milestone and thank God for enabling you to transform communities through the message of the gospel and charitable deeds. Christianity is a new religion in our part of the world. It was not until the late 19th century that the first groups of Christian missionaries started arriving in Buganda Kingdom. The first group from England was sent by the Church Mission Society. They arrived here in 1877 and they were followed by the White Fathers from France in 1879. Therefore, you can clearly see that we are latecomers to the Christian faith. However, despite being latecomers, our people were quick to embrace and follow the good teachings of Christianity. Christianity brought enlightenment to our societies. Most people abandoned their old way of living. They stopped believing in spirits and mandwa, gave up old ways of living like drinking alcohol, stopped sharing, drinking pots, which spread diseases among the people. They learned to boil milk and water for drinking, and some took on the encumbrance of taking their children to school. Education was an encumbrance because children were a source of family labor. They helped in the gardens, herding cows, fetching water, collecting firewood, among others. However, Christian families embraced education and endeavored to send their children to mission schools, including girls. Therefore, Christianity ushered positive transformation. I would like to thank Pastor Bugemb for implementing social uplift programs that are geared towards improving the believer's well-being. Man has both spiritual and physical needs. The church caters for people's spiritual needs. There are also physical needs for food, water, shelter, hospitals, schools, clothes, transport, jobs, name it all. In a modern economy, you cannot obtain the goods and services which are necessary to sustain life without money. Money lessons can be eliminated by undertaking a profitable enterprise in one of the 4 sectors of commercial agriculture, industries, services, and ICT. These are the 4 sectors where you can create jobs and wealth. Therefore, a relevant Christian ministry must encourage the believers to work towards achieving decent standards of living. In the process of working for heaven, some of the faithful become negligent about their earthly responsibilities and thereby end up perpetuating poverty in their homes. If we have spiritually seen the light, then we must do the same economically. We cannot see the spiritual light yet stay in economic darkness. Jesus Christ should serve as an example to all the religious leaders and their followers. He earned his living by working alongside his father Joseph as a carpenter. He worked for both the spiritual and socio-economic uplift of his family and society. This is what all Christians must emulate. Finally, I would like to once again congratulate Worship House upon reaching the 20th anniversary, and we wish you all happy celebrations. I thank you all. Yoweri Kaguta Seveni T. Abungo. To sum up the speech, Pastor, he also gave a contribution of 20 million shillings, which you have been informed about. I am so sorry I could not bring it here in cash because I reached Kampala late, but it is directly going to reach you. I thank you. May God bless you all.
Thank you. Mbagga Yabwe tunawasa mukyalo ono ebya pulezidenti nga bivudde sebo Mbagga nati lwaki tebatawantu bategeeza debatulabulira lwebegedogeraso etwali tukimanya Mutoro ono naliko naye wa kamera ya making sure sirabikako mu bifaananyi. I love you and I know Nyamutoro. Where is Agi Chirawo? Yeesimbyewo eruweero bonna bano ssebo w'ekitiibwa bwe bali batandika their career in parliament ngono tanafuuka wakabi nnyo nga ne Kenzo tannaba kutuyingiramu nnyo twasabanga nnyo n'abaana bano. It is not a surprise what God has done. I want to congratulate you. Ne Kenzo yomugambe nti Yesu lyekkubo n'amazima n'obulamu. Bw'oli mukyala mulokole. Sijje? Kenzo. Amina. Kambikomyawo. Naye Kenzo ono kambikomyawo speech ya president. Mukama yeebazibwe. Thank you, Honorable. Okay.
All right, let's have this clip.